Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to chop baby food fast and small? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to show you some tricks to chopping up baby food or for toddlers fast and small. Now, if you have small children, you know the drill. You sit here and you cut and you cut and you cut and you try to chop it up. And usually when you're hungry and you want to eat, it just takes a long time. There's not many things we worry about more as parents than making sure that our food is not a hazard for our children. So that's where one of these chopping devices comes in. This one is from Slap Chop. Now, I'm not an influencer or sponsored by them in any way, but there's a variety of these on the market. You take a piece of chicken, you put it there. How old's your kid? It just depends. Give it a few chops, and that's the size. So we're decent size. You want smaller? Younger child? Bam, look at that. Finely diced in what? 5-10 seconds? Now I'm all about a well-balanced meal. So you can go ahead and grab some green beans, your vegetables, you put them here, you say, done. Look at this, chopped up, super small. You always want to check it out, but this is faster than you can possibly do it. We've all been at a restaurant where we're sitting there, we finally get our food, and we're trying to cut it with that little butter knife they give you. I don't care. I throw this in our diaper bag, and I bring this everywhere I go. And I'm in a restaurant, yeah, people look at you, but it's awesome. So I hope this helps you out. If you're a parent out there and you want to have nice, safe, small food, definitely get one of these chopping things. It's worth its weight in gold. As always, thanks for tuning in to Mr. Graves How To. Be sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Likes, comments, like to hear what you have to say. Remember, if I can do this, you can too. Thanks for watching.